वेलकम टू वेस्ट क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. एंड आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचें गोंयचें फामाद आमची कॉलीफ्लावर सुंगटाचें कालदीन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू प्रॉन्स cauliflower Caldeen curry, which is we learned from Portuguese, and our grandmother learned from them, and it is now passed through tradition. So what we need is, for this Caldeen, it's a nice yummy creamy tasty curry, yellow color. So for that we need cauliflower your size, and now for this you make a hot water, and this florets you take. First you wash this, then you put immerse this into hot water, little bit of salt and turmeric powder, and let it be there for few minutes in that. Okay, so this is the first process for this. Then what we need is half kg of prawns, that is, these are big tiger prawns. So one whole and half kg of prawns. Then we need 1 tomato, 1 onion. I am adding few bimli of our own tree, and little bit of tanginess for the curry. I like bimli and prawns, it goes well. Then I need around 5 green chilies slitted nicely. Then to grind to fine paste, you can grind this along with the coconut and take out the juice. I have my previous videos also of Caldeen which I have done that way, but this time I want to show you separately. So what we need a paste to grind in fine is 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 6 of peppercorns, a small piece of cinnamon. Then this we need around 6 flakes, 7 flakes of garlic, a small ball of tamarind, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 piece like this of ginger. Then we need 1 whole coconut thick juice, that is coconut milk also you can say, coconut juice also you can say. आम्ही म्हणता नाल्लाचो रोस, that's why it is called coconut juice. In Konkani it is nallacho rose, in English it is coconut juice. So 1 whole big coconut thick juice, and whatever comes afterwards, that is a thin juice, which is this, the last version. So this all we need. So we'll add little bit of salt to this and keep aside, and we will take out the floret and do the rest. So here it is, and this either you can use it for some vegetable or you can throw it out, it's up to you. Then this we have to finely chop, and this also you have to finely chop. So let's add salt, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, and hot water. So let it be here. Till then we will grind this to fine paste. We'll add this salt for this also, and turmeric for this also. For this curry I am using cinnamon stick, as cinnamon is very very healthy to cut down cholesterol and all. So that's the thing, I'm using it for my Caldeen. Then curry leaves also I will be using when I'm giving tadka. So So that is also good. So this is all ready. My masala is ready, and onions and everything is ready. I'm using curry leaves, as I have said. I've taken 1 tablespoon of oil and normal oil. So we'll add our curry leaves, onion, so we don't want to make it brown. Just fry this onion nicely till it is soft. As the color changes, we will add a tomato. Now we will add our chilies in this. So the color is changed. So we will add a tomato. Add my remaining curry leaves. At this point, we will add our masala to this. Fry this nicely. Now we will add our cauliflower. Mix this, and we have to cook this cauliflower first. So we will add the thin version of our juice, or milk you say, or juice you say. Low flame. We'll add this water also. Half cup. Now we'll add our juice. We'll add a thin version of juice. तर नाल्लाचो रोस घातला आहे आता तो पातो पळतो आणि कॉलीफ्लावराक मातशी शिजोनी बंद करूया. मीठ मागीर घालया. सो salt and all we will add later. Now let this all get cooked nicely. Cover and cook this. We'll add our bimli also. Okay, our cauliflower is cooked. So now this is the time we will add our prawns. To this, mix all nicely. And cook this just for 5 minutes. So the flavors goes all in this. Check the salt and all. Yes, we need to add our salt now. Salt to taste. Already prawns has got salt. Cauliflower also had salt. So now we'll cover this and just cook this for 5 minutes. it's done. So now we will, prawns are cooked, and this is the time, gas low, and we will add our thick coconut juice. And give a nice mix. So enjoy this prawns cauliflower Caldeen curry with hot rice or Goan pav, bread, kakon, whatever you want, undo, and just enjoy. So another 5 minutes and it is done. And here it is ready. Now we'll put off the gas, and our Caldeen is ready. होप यू ऑल विल एन्जॉय. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटले हे आमचे प्रॉन्स आनी आमचे कॉलीफ्लावर काल्दीन, विच इज वेरी 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 ट्रेडिशनल, ऑथेंटीक in every Goan home. We make this quite often. Thank you. Devare Guru.
And here it is ready to eat prawns cauliflower caldeen. Looks yummy and tasty. Thank you.